Hello, everyone.
Welcome to Ubri One AI channel.
Hello, you're welcome to today's lesson. In this video, we are going to learn how to arrange articles for a blog post. Now, let me say this. After writing your article using GPT, you need to copy it, then put it somewhere, arrange it. Some people take it directly to the website and arrange it. But to me, it makes it difficult because if you need that article again in the future, you may not have access to it, or you will need to start arranging it all over again. So, to make it easy, what I do is I make sure I have a copy of all my documents, all my blog posts, all my articles on Google Documents. How do I get there? Remember, here on the top right corner, you have all the Google apps. So you left click on that, scroll down, you see Docs. That's it. This is it. You left click on it. Okay. Then you go to blank document, select blank document. Okay. So you go to where you write, you have your article written by Chat GPT. You go there, right from here, you copy the article, highlight it and copy it. Copy all the article down here, down to this place. Then you copy them. Copy it. Now take note of this. So when I come here, I want to paste. I'm not pasting it normal. Okay. Why I won't paste it here is because if I paste it normal, chat GPT has its background. If I paste it normal like that, it will come up with the background. So what I do, I will say paste without formatting. I paste it without formatting. So it will scatter all the arrangement that was made earlier. To make this article to look fine, we have to write it the way this man has written it. Okay, let me go back and do something. So you see, in this case, we use arrange without format. Okay, paste without formatting. Let's look at the ordinary paste, like this one paste. You see, we're going to have everything here with this. You can see it's coming up with all this background, which does not look nice. So we have to edit it to how it is now. So look at this. So now you have to go over editing all this article to make it to look like this. So how do we go about this? Now, if you go to your Google document, look at it here. This is the title of the blog post, the article writing. This is the title, How to Buy and Sell on Facebook Marketplace, the complete guide. So once you click on here, the title will enter there. So you delete the title. Look at here, title enter. So you delete that title from there. Okay, so now you go to look at here. Here you have the format how you way what you need to what you need to do to use to arrange your blog posts. Here, mostly we are going to concentrate here on here where you have the title, subtitle, heading one, heading two, heading three, heading four, and so on and so forth. I'm going to concentrate there more and also on these bullet points. Okay, so now in blog arranging blog posts, this is what we do. We concentrate on heading 2 and 3. We use heading 2 and 3. Heading 1 should be for the title, but you don't need to put there, you don't need to do anything with the title. Normally, the way blog posts are written, title comes separate. So all you need to concentrate on the headings and the subheadings. So for the headings, the main headings of any blog post, you use heading 2. Like here where you say, where you have what is Facebook Marketplace, we are going to use heading 2 for it. We are not using heading 1. Take notes. We use heading 2. This is heading 2. But in this case, it is not bold, so you have to bold it and leave it that way. Now, another setting I'm going to do under heading 2. Now, you see I bold this. That means each time I have heading 2, I have to bold it. There's a setting I can do that I will not need to do that every time. All I need to do is come here while it is still here, while this cursor is still here. I come here to heading 2. I say update heading 2 to match. Once I click on this update, all heading 2 will be bold and on this format. So I do that. Okay, let's continue arranging the article. Go to chat GPT and see, look at after what is marketplace. So you see all this from electronics to and even households, they are on bullet points. So we go there, I go here, I select them, and I put it on bullet points. Put them on bullet points. That's that. Check for the next one. This is another heading. Why use Facebook Marketplace? That's another heading. So select heading 2. You can see it's bolded already because we did that. Here are some things. So you look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 4 points on bullets. So you come here, you select 1, 2, 3, 4, and you bullet that. And you can see also that the first 1, 2, 3, 4 are on board. So you do the same there. Go there, select this, select this, select this, select this, and bold it. Okay. The next one is go to how to sell on. This is another heading. This is a heading, and these are the articles behind it. Okay. Then you have this one, how to sell on marketplace. Okay, that's another heading. How to sell on marketplace. So you select this, select heading 2. Now look at this. When we now come here, this heading 2 now have subheadings. How to sell on marketplace. You have subheading. This is subheading, as you can see from here. This is subheading with articles following it. This is a subheading with some highlighted points. Another subheading with points below 4, 5, 6, about 6 subheadings with points on it. So all you need to do in that case, this is a subheading. So we are going to use heading 3 for that subheading. That's heading 3. Bold it and do the same thing we did. Update to match. So these points fall under subheading 1. So we select this and this, then we give them as a point. So you have this becomes subheading 2. You select, remember subheading, you use heading 3 for it. Then this, and this, they are under that. Then this is subheading 3. Let's see that subheading 3. 1, 2, 3. What is conditional extras? So you have what is here, condition and extras. Those ones are bold while you have them on bullet points. Okay, number 4, still heading 4, subheading 4 mean. Okay, be realistic, leave room. only 2 points are there. You can confirm from here. Okay, 3 points. So put check this, put that. Then heading 5, subheading 5, I mean, that's only 2. With this, the first 2 on bold. So you just follow the format. You pick up local pickup, shipping, bold that, and put the rest on this. Then the subheading, last subheading, you have apply. Good. So we continue. This is another heading. Tips for selling successfully. This is another heading. So we use heading 2 here. That's a heading. Be honest. Use keywords. Update availability. Stay safe. Those ones are bolded while the rest are on bullet points. Okay. Then here's another heading: how to buy on marketplace. How to buy now. That's a major heading. So you put heading 2 on it. Now under how to buy, you have subheadings. Browse to match. So you use your heading 3 there. Use your heading 3 here. 1, 2, 3. I will arrange the rest later. Heading 3. Let me do that. Heading 3, 3, 4, 5. Heading 3, 6. Heading 3. Okay. So you go to each of the points. You put them on bullet points. Just like that. Like this, you have this one will be bold, this one will be bold, this one will be bold. Let's confirm that. Bold, bold, bold. Then on bullet points, let's confirm that here. You see, okay. You can still use that, even though it is not here, but you can do that. Okay. So you have this one, this one, this one, bullet points. Then the next one, 4 here, you have all this on the italics, 3 on italics, and bullet points. This, this, and italics here, then on bullet points. Then on 5, you have this bullet points. Cash avoid never. Cash is okay. Then tips for buying smart. You see here, another heading, another major heading. Tips for buying smart. So you apply that. Know your value. You can go ahead to check. Know your value. So look at all this. Just follow this format, and then look at this final thoughts. I don't like using final thoughts. Instead, we use conclusion. So you can correct that to use conclusion. You arrange the rest. You don't have the whole time to arrange that. So you arrange the rest. Conclusion. Conclusion is a subheading on its own. I mean, it's a heading on its own. So use heading 2 for it. Take notes. Don't use final thoughts. Always use conclusion. So that's how to arrange article. You can arrange the remaining parts. Arrange this remaining part. That's how to arrange article for a blog post. See you in the next lesson.